Hey guys, I just recently realized that I have not made a video on the iconic Nissan R35 GTR, which is one of the best castings by Mini GT. So here is a new one that I had got recently in the lava red color. It has got the Liberty Walk kit, so let's just unbox it and find out. Looking at the back, we can see the detailing, licensing details. It's obviously licensed. Nissan has given them all the requisite licenses. Oh wow. When you first take this car out, the color really pops because it is in that lava red color, which is a wonderful color. And then what really strikes you is that carbon fiber hood. So overall, first impression of the car in hand, it feels very nice and premium, just like first impression of this car in hand, it feels very nice and premium, just like any other Mini GT. Let's start the review first with the base. The base is, compared to other Mini GTs, a little better because I think I had shown the Acura's base a few days earlier. It did not even have the name of the car. This one at least has that much. You can see 2009 Nissan GTR clearly written. It's written that it's been licensed. It's been used under license. Underbody detailing is minimal, but that's okay. I mean, that's not one thing that Mini GT excels at. The wheels, they are interesting, and the tires are rubber. I don't know what you guys feel about the wheels, let me know. Then we have got the iconic motto of Liberty Walk, that is, imagine all the people living life in peace. So that you can see very clearly on this size. It is unexpected to have such a long motto visible so clearly, but in this they have absolutely nailed it. Then we've got the other branding. Here we can see the Liberty Walk very clearly written. Overall, this car looks great from the side because I believe this is the perfect silhouette. Then we come to the front. One thing that I don't know if you guys have noticed, the difference between the regular Liberty Walk cars and the silhouette versions, which I like, why I like silhouette versions more, is because they've got the small GTR branding up front. Many of the Mini GT initial GTRs are missing it and they just look weird to me. So this is the one that I'm talking about, this GTR branding, and it's super tiny but very nicely done. And then we've got some really interesting aero kits on these cars. If you can see it, that's it, that's it, that's the one, this one. Yeah, you can see it from the sides maybe. Yeah, that's it. Then obviously the detailing is very nice from the sides, and from the front the headlamps and everything, I'm not speaking much about them because they are just like any other GTR. It is very nice. They use high quality plastic, which is great to look at. On the windshield we have the Liberty Walk performance branding. Looks great. The carbon fiber has been very nicely replicated. If you can just zoom into it and have a look, it's a great hood. Really adds to the beauty of this car because the car in this red color with that black hood really pops. It has given it the perfect black and red color combination. Coming to the rear, the tail lamps might have felt a little washed out because it was a red car, but they have done a great job. You can distinctly see the red of the tail lamps is very different from the red of the all other car. Again, we can see some of the aero bits on the sides. The exhaust is very nice and it has got that blue tint on it, titanium tip. The license plate says LB. So it's nice to see that the license plate is so accurately made for such a small car. And then the spoiler coupled with the hood of the car, it gives a very nice look to the top of the car. If you look at it from this angle, you can see that the spoiler and the hood are matching. So from the front to the back you have got symmetry. The style of the spoiler is also very elegant and much better than some of the spoilers than what Mini GT does. I mean Liberty Walk. Side mirrors are very nice, and as always Mini GT has this style of making rubberized ones, so these are also very flexible so that they do not break very easily. It feels very nice to hold it because you have less fear in your mind of breaking it. Overall, if I have to talk about this car, I can go on and on about for hours because this is one of the best castings by Mini GT out there. But if we talk about it as a collector and if I would recommend it, I would say yes, definitely, because this particular car has come out in many different colors and many different models. But this particular version, like, let's talk about the color. The color is very nice. The black only makes the red pop more. Then we come to the detailing. The detailing is also very nice. Then we come to the style. The thing about the Silhouette Works is, as I have already talked about, the grille and all the other detailings are much better compared to the other models. So if I'd say that, you know, you could have just one GTR from Mini GT, this can also be one of them. I mean, you can just choose one, but if you could have just one, this might as well be it. Because it's a complete car, it's got all the necessary detailings, you don't feel like you are missing out on something. So I just hope you guys like it and let me know what you guys think about it. If you have this car, what do you think about it? How did you find it to be? And if you do not have, what do you think about this review and will it help you in buying this car? I think it's a great car to look at. Thank you so much for watching.